Hello everyone, welcome to our today's video on aqua farming. I'm Dr. Rakhi, an assistant professor, School of Science, Aquaculture Department, Sage University, Bhopal. Today I'm discussing with you different kind of aqua farming. To know something about the different kind of aqua farming, you have to know the meaning of aqua farming. Aquafarming basically a controlled cultivations of aquatic organisms such as fish, crustaceans, mollusks, algae, and other aquatic organisms. Types of aquafarming. Aquafarming mainly depends on three factors. Number one, hydrobiological features. Number two, intention of farming. And number three, specific operational technique. Mariculture. Our first topic is mariculture. Mariculture is a specialized branch of aquaculture involving the cultivation of marine organisms for food and other animal products. Generally, it practices in open oceans and sometimes sea water are used for farming the shellfishes in coastal areas. Fish farming. Fish farming is the most common type of the aqua farming. In India, it is highly practiced for ensure the food security and it is easier to do than other kinds of the fish farming. In India, three types of the fish farming are applied for the production of the defined kind of fish like brackish water fishes, like marine water fishes and freshwater fishes also. If you look at the picture, then you can identify the three types of the fish farming system. Number one is intensive fish farming system. Number two is semi-intensive fish farming system. And number three is super intensive fish farming system. Because if you want to get good production from your system, then you have to maintain your supplemental food quality and your water quality and temperatures also. Next topic is algaculture. Algaculture is a type of culture in where algae are cultivated for production purpose. Algae basically fulfills a wide range of the necessities, includes foods, nutrition, energy, fertilizer, plastic, and pigments. It can also be used for the manufacturing and biodegradable plastics, biofertilizer, and even now it used as a biofuel. Our next topic is integrated multi-trophic aquaculture. Generally, this farming popular as a developed fish farming system where different trophic level of water are used for cultivation of different kind of the aquatic organisms. The IMTA makes use of this intertrophical transfer of resources to ensure maximum resource utilization by using the waste of larger organisms as food. The practice ensures the nutrients are recycled, meaning the process is less wasteful and provides more product. Our next fish farming is inland pond culture. Inland pond culture is very popular in India for easiest production of the fish with many aquatic organisms. To achieve good production from the inland pond culture, pond must be properly sited and built with attentive assessment of the water availability, quantity, and quality also. If you want to get a good production from your system, then you have to need a proper manual for build a fish pond. Our next fish farming is open pen and cage culture. Open pen and cage systems are employed in the offshore and freshwater lakes such as stagnant water bodies. If you give your attention on the picture, then you can identify the left-hand side picture is the pen culture and the right-hand side is cage culture system. What is the pen culture? Pen culture is defined as a raising of fish and a volume of water enclosed on all sides except the bottom, permitting the free circulation of water at least from one side. This can be practiced into the river. And in the cage culture basically involves to growing the fishes in existing water resources while being enclosed in a net cage, which allows for flow of water. It is an aquaculture production system made of a floating frame, net materials, and a mooring systems also. Flow through or raceway system. A flow through or fish culture system is also known as a reservoir fish culture. Mainly, this system is an artificial channel used in aquaculture to culture the aquatic organisms. RS system. This is the most and popular technology to produce the fish for production purpose. RS system is also known as the recirculating aquaculture system. RS is a modern technology to produce different type of the valuable fish in closed areas. In RS system, water is recycled and reused after mechanical and biological filtration and removal of the suspended matter and metabolites also. Basically, RS is used for the high density of the fish culture of various fishes like shrimps, brackish water fish, and freshwater fishes also. Basically, it reduces the risk due to the climate factor, disease, and parasitic impacts also. Our next topic is aquaponics. It's called a next generation farming system. Aquaponics is a system where two different type of crops can be produced into same land at same time. Basically, in worldwide, three different type of the aquaponics technology are practiced. Number one is floating depth aquaponics. Number two is NFT aquaponics, and number three is media-based aquaponics. If you look at the picture, then you can identify the common water tank are used for production of the fishes and plants also. Benefits of aquafarming. Why we use or applied aquafarming? First of all, the economical benefits. Economical benefits means food security, fuel source, create a job, reduce seafood trade deficit also. Environmental benefits is secure the environmental issues like prevent the pollutions, reducing fishing pressure on wildlife, low environmental impact, uses vast water bodies, sustainable uses of the sea resources. This is my reference page. Thank you for listening me, and I hope you are stay tuned with us and subscribe to our Sage University Bhopal page.